What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today's episode, we take a look at the Fortin Hexdrive. Now, the Hexdrive has been on my radar for about a year and a half now. Before I started doing the whole YouTube thing, truck driver Sean let me borrow his, and I fell in love with it instantly. And I've been waiting to find one for a good deal, and I finally did. So I just kind of wanted to do a sound check with it and see how it sounds to you guys. I mean, it's been around for quite a while. So we're going to use my Gorilla. It's the Shinobi, the MSR6 Shinobi. I do have a DiMarzio Evolution in the bridge. I replaced the Black Winter that it came with. Piece of foam at the headstock and behind the bridge to kind of quieten it down. So we're going to use that. We're going to run that into the Mesa, the single rectifier. Of course, into the Mojo Tone ISO cab, which has a Dusty Warren DW75 by Warehouse Guitar Speakers. And I have it paired with a Jensen Nighthawk 75. Absolute love that pairing. They sound great together. It's pretty much my go-to now for anything. So let's just kind of noodle around. Tell me what you guys think. That's it, man. It's the Fortin Hexdrive. The thing is an absolute monster. Like I said, been wanting it for a while. I found a good deal. We grabbed it. I'm happy. Tell me what you guys think. Do you have one? Do you guys like the way it sounds? I'm going to use it with some other amps. We'll do another sound check a little later on. But I'm going to go back to just messing around just because I'm excited to play it finally. So tell me what you guys thought. We'll talk to you later.